Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where I am going to give you my top 2 KDP high content book niche, the pace coloring book niches for Amazon KDP. So, if you are already publishing books on Amazon KDP platform or you are new to this looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what these niches are. And now you have not been to this channel before the and welcome. My name is Rumaroy and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. So first of all, we search our top niche is 200 happy animals coloring book for $2. So here the results only shows 86. So obviously there is a micro niche and with a very high volume profitable niche. Here already review is 7. So 200 happy animals coloring book for toddlers. So we can check out this book, and here uh, we can check also the trademark. No trace records are found, no match the cutter of your query. So there is a safe niche. So you have to work from 200 happy animals coloring book for toddlers, and this book cover make it very easily. You can make using Illustrator or Canva. So and make it a good manuscript, good quality cover, and have to choose profitable keywords, then upload on Amazon KDP, and you have to earn more revenue per month from this book. So our second niche is kids kids coloring kids coloring book of animals and things A to Z. Here the results only shows 67, and here '67 kids coloring book of animals and things, and THING things A to Z. Please wait. Kids coloring book of animals and things A to Z. Here are are already published, 50 review. So there is also a profitable niche, and we can check out trademark. There is notice record from these books. So obviously this is there is a micro niche. So personally, I think this is there is a really too good niche to get into more revenue. And as I say, if you choose your good profitable keywords currently and make good quality cover, good quality manuscript, and upload Amazon KDP perfectly, then you have to earn more revenue per month. So please, if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. And um, uh, you have to comment, please, how feeling from this get to new niche. Thank you so much.